This story is about Namrood, who was the ruler at that time, and he was arguing with Ibrahim salam regarding Lord and regarding the concept of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here is also telling us he was doing that because Allah gave him the kingdom. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the power. He was the ruler. So what happened? So what happened actually is, and I would just like to open this point a little bit for our understanding. Namrood had, we can call it, he had God complex. So God complex means, you've heard the term superiority complex. So he thought that he himself is the God. Although Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him power, he thought because of that power, now he is superior over all. Okay. And because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him position, there was, it was his kingdom, people were listening, he was the ruler. So in his mind, instead of serving the people as a ruler, he thought, I am the ruler, I am the God. So he went that far. So this superiority complex, this point I wanted to highlight here, that whenever we are given power or whenever we are given fame from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should not think, oh, it is because of us. Now, I want you guys to quickly answer me. Do you think that there are Namroods also in our time, like rulers like Namrood? Do you guys really think that there are people who have this superiority complex? What do you guys think? Go ahead, Ryan.
Sir, I think there are no rulers right now.
Okay. Yes. So right now, in terms of rulers, they are not like that who are claiming to be gods. However, from a concept standpoint, do you think there are people who can get this in their head because of their power, or something can overcome them? They will not call out explicitly themselves that, oh, I am God, or you guys have to worship me. There is no one. Yes.
Sir, like Pharaoh.
Yes, so Pharaoh was there, but I am talking about our time. So Pharaoh was at the time of Musa alayhi salam. Yes, Shayan, you have your hand raised. Go ahead.
I was saying yes, that we do have Namroods in our time. Basically, people with power or authority, they sometimes take it for granted and they think of themselves as inferior, superior to other people, and they treat them inferior to them.
Excellent answer, Shayan. Yes. So basically, you can have this Namrood God complex in your mind, or this feeling. For example, if you're a doctor and you are now a senior doctor, people are coming to you and they are praising you and everything. And oh my God, you saved my son and all of these things. So when they hear, it can happen in their mind that they start feeling, oh, wow, so, oh, I gave that cure, I gave that medicine, I diagnosed that person and now he's cured. So there is a feeling that can come in them. Similarly, there are people with special assignments. There are scientists, there are people who are working on breakthrough technology. At times, they can think of themselves as superior versus the other beings. There can be some special people who are doing these spy jobs or in these government jobs. They have a differentiated passport. They can travel wherever they want and all of these things. There can be. I'm not saying all of these people are like this, but I'm saying that this is a watch out. Similarly, for judges, for example, judges do the ruling, right? They say a case comes to them. Somebody says that this person has murdered someone. They can give a ruling against that person. So they can get this feeling of Namrood that they obviously need to avoid, that I am a superior being or I have that power. Okay. So the action for us from this whole discussion is, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives power or fame to us, we don't have to become Namroods. We have to stay humble. We have to still serve people. And we need to realize one thing, that there is only one ilah, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So there is only one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who is the provider of everything, who even provides us power, fame, wealth, anything that makes us feel, oh yes, we are strong or we can do something. So we have to always realize that this is coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.